Gathagathago kiria kigumeire sacco ya Ekeza gitiguthiraga giatira thutha wa thirikari kuhitukira ministry ya iganda na wonjorithia kuga ni kuregana na igeria o riothe ria uria wari muikariri giti wayo David Ngari kana Gakuoyo kwendia imwe cia indo ciake niguo ahote kuriha aria maigithitie thiini wa Ekeza. Akirekereria ndumiriri ino minister wa iganda na wonjoria Peter Munya ni augite ni makaroka igoti-ini muthi wa mwabiririo itanya inene ari kurugamia Gakuyo kwendia indo ciake niguo arihe andu aria maigithitie.
I am not convinced that proceeds of the sale will be used to repay members. Therefore, I have instructed the Commissioner of Cooperatives to stop the sale through a court action to allow for completion of the inquiry and subsequent submission of findings to members in line with the Cooperative Society Act.
Ihinda-ini o riu Munya ni augire ati thirikari ndikuheka mweke mundu o wothe uria urageria kuiya indo cia muingi guku akihe aigithia thiini wa Ekeza mwihoko ati mbeca ciao ni magucokerio na magie na wetereri.
I appeal to the members of the sacco and other stakeholders to be patient as the government takes all the necessary steps to ensure that all the issues surrounding the sacco are dealt with firmly and conclusively.
No na gukiri uguo Thirikari ni uritie andu aria mari na ngombo thiini wa sacco eno mathie na mbere na kuriha.
All members with outstanding loans are also urged to continue repaying them through the usual SACCO's bank accounts.
Hamwe na uguo Munya ni augire thirikari no iguthie na mbere na gwika mogaruruku matiganite megie uramati wa thothaiti niguo magie na mayu ma kimbeca niguo gucigitira kumana na kuhaguka.
Government has commenced a thorough and careful and sustained reform of all SACCOs countrywide to ensure that they are in proper financial health and that their management teams employ prudent, modern and ethical management standards.
Kiumia igiri hituku githagathago ni kiayumiririe wabici-ini cia Ekeza guku Nairobi hindi iria aigithia mahithukiire wabici ici makienda macokerio mbeca ciao. Nakio kiumia kihituku aigithia angi ni marurunganire kanitha-ini wa Calvary uria uri mwena wa Thika makienda Gakuyo amataririe uria magucokerio mbeca ciao. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Maina wa Mwangi.